Well, here we are over at the condo over there where I showed you that kitchen yesterday. And Ray's in here. He's my tile man. He knows what he's doing. Hey, can you stop for a minute? Sure. Hi, Ray.
How you doing, Pat?
That's Ray Swicegood. He's been working with me for 20 years, and you know that he already helped me with the countertop over here, but now he's doing the tile floor. And we've got a problem with the tile floor. There's more here than we thought. What do we got, Ray?
Well, we've got a tile with on top of a luan, and then it's on top of a gypcrete.
Oh, okay. So that gypcrete is it's a light concrete that they pour in these buildings?
Yes, and the problem is tile doesn't adhere to it very well. So we have to demolition everything, luan, the tile, and the gypcrete in order to get the new tile to have a good substrate to stick to.
Gotcha. Well, think you can handle it, don't you?
Oh yeah.
No problem, right?
This is what I do.
Ah! Yeah, that's what we are. We do what we do. Okay, Ray. Well, we'll see you a little while later, okay?
Alrighty, sounds good.
Bye-bye. Thanks, man.
You're welcome.